the misappropriation in the purchase of the equipments, medical equipments. I made some allegations on 3rd July 1920. Nobody has denied it officially. On 20th of July, Mr. Aswath Narayan and Sri Ramulu, who is a wealth minister, Aswath Narayan is a deputy chief minister, they met the media people and they said that they have denied my allegations totally. That is why today I have furnished certain documents wherein there is a payment receipt which shows there is a misappropriation. About 14 documents I have produced today. To go through all the 14 documents, ventilator, thermal scanner, the mask purchase, and oxygen this thing. In all these things there is a misappropriation.
How much, sir?
And they are telling that they have spent only 324 crores. But according to me, the government has spent to tackle COVID-19 more than 4,000 crores, in which nearly 2,000 crores is misappropriated. It has gone to the pockets of ministers, officers, all that. That is why I am demanding, please constitute a judicial commission. Let it be inquired into in detail by a sitting High Court judge. Why you are afraid? If you are honest and transparent in purchases, that is my demand. That is our party demand.
They've just reacted now. The health minister says it's just baseless allegation. We have already cleared everything. They have nothing to prove.
No, I have produced the documents. The documents are not mine, not concocted by us, by our party. They are the documents available with the government. You have taken some documents from the government. How can they deny the documents of the government?
Applications are there. He has been covered with the document. It been covered with the media reports. All the national and the state level media have come out with series of stories where the entire corruption is being shown. The government of India has already purchased a lot of equipment. Tamil Nadu government, Kerala government, lot of them have purchased. When they are purchasing at a different rates, it is not only 5%, 10% different. More than 60, 70, in some cases 100%, 200% difference is there. That is why we have given. And in various notings, we have also been working in the system. We know what is the government and what is governance. We have got all information from my own friends. So we have been given those few of the documents with that. When you are so clear, why are you not allowing Public Accounts Committee to function? Why are you stopping them? You are telling that you are going to give everything. When a minister, deputy CM can't answer, why is allowing the officers to speak? What is the use? A deputy CM calls a press conference, sit aside, ask the officers to speak. You have eaten everything, you are swindled, and now you want officers to react on that. This is what.
So total how much money do you
So,
think is corruption?
the lockdown, the chief minister said, the lockdown is not necessary now. Then why did you lock down? What is the fate of 5.5 crores of 6 crores of people of the state? If lockdown was not necessary, lockdown is there for preparation. So if you are not prepared, when you could not provide bed, 120 days has happened. You have not spoken to hospitals. You have not spoken to medical colleges. The best number of doctors, best number of hospitals, best number of medical colleges are there in Karnataka. It is known for health tourism. When such is the case, you are not Now you want to create a 10,000 bed. Is it not shame that you want to use that beds, corona-affected beds for the children, youth hostels? That is why I said you take this bed and keep it to your minister's quarters, CM's quarters, MLA quarters, offices. I don't want our children to sleep on those beds.
Sir, to what extent is the corruption here that you are having, sir? To what extent, sir?
See, the corruption is already, my leader of the opposition has said, it is a corruption more than touching more than 2,000 crores. It is not only one department. The BBMP, the labor, the health department, the medical education, social welfare, the transport. 1,200 rupees per meal. What is this? 1,200, some 200 to 1,200 meals. You said first you are doing for all the corona patients, 50 rupees, 60 rupees was been fixed. I said in my district, I will pay the bill of 200 rupees. Then now they have increased some price. You want to make money in this? You don't have a heart. Is it the way you treated all those people? The migrants? If you are taken care of them well, if you are given them food, if you are given them shelter, if you are given them confidence, which minister has gone to a hospital? You please tell me. Which minister has gone to a hospital? Is it the way you threw the bodies? If it is your body, then is this the Indian culture? I am very sorry. The image of Karnataka is in a shambles.
Congress party demand a judicial inquiry in this.
We have already requested for a judicial inquiry. I think the report will come later. There is a different question. Let us see. We will go to the people of Karnataka. We will travel across the state. We will communicate to the people. We will tell them what is there. Then we will speak on the issue.